Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe that organization is key. Okay? If you don't have organization like for example, like your desk space is not tidy, or your Google Drive folders are all a mess, or you have 1,000 tabs open, or your computer screen is not messy, it's going to carry over into other areas of your life. Okay? Especially in your business. It's because I was talking to a person the other day and we were talking about, when you have a lot of clutter inside of either your house or inside of your workspace or inside of your office, it's going to cause your mind or some other area, maybe your phone conversations, your consultations, or even your coaching sessions, to be unorganized and a mess. Okay? So once you get that organization key, you're going to start to be clear in other areas that actually relate to your business. So whether it's your consultation, whether it is your day-to-day marketing tasks, whether it's your administrative tasks, whether it is your coaching, whether it's everything surrounding your business is going to start improving. If you want to learn how to stay organized and some different tips on how to actually move forward towards the goals and the dreams that you want, I recommend you go join the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.